What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka Kynhun Myntri ka sarkar jala kala ai ka Mynjur ban thungkam pura no e ki palat 6,000 ngut ki nas ki pala thungkum ki adhok haswa ubnai no pra arjar nyau. Hadien bala penya ya ka jingalang ne ka singi khat santrik risau u Myntri rangba u konrad ki sangma ulaong. Ngila Mynjur ban thungkam pura ki nas hapo ka Meghalaya nursing service appointment kum ki staff nurse but auxiliary nurse but midwife. Upente baka sarkar ha u arjar arpo ar kala thungkam pura ru ya palat 1,000 ngut kinong tre basu thung adhok haswa jong banai no pra arjan nyau dakaba pensyong nongrim katkum ga hukum jong yengka shari Supreme Court. Hadien kanie ya kathop jong ki weipat ki beriu ki badai hok bat ki bahab hapo kani kathop ru lawan ra asya ka Kynhun Myntri ha kabaya kini ru la thungkam pura. Kumju ru menta kasngi katanat ka koi ke kya klawan ra ya kathop kerteng jong kumba 6,000 ngut kinas ki bahap ha kani ka ju kathop ki bala syak thungkam haswa jok banai no pra arjar nyau kum ki adhok kum taru haba bot ha ka ju kalinti bat ka ju ka rul ka batre kam ki weipat ki nong tre bathungkam ha kani ka rukam ka Kynhun Myntri hni kasngi kala rai ban thungkam pura no eki ula banram.
Regularization of the cadre under the Meghalaya nursing service appointment to the post of staff nurse and an auxiliary nurse and midwife. As you're aware that in 2022, if I'm not wrong, we had taken a decision to regularize employees who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post, which means that it was a sanctioned post, but the proper process of regularization, the proper process of recruitment was not conducted, and hence they were on ad hoc basis. And based on a Supreme Court ruling, we had gone ahead and regularized those who were appointed to such sanctioned post on an ad hoc basis pre-2008, which means 2007 December. And based on that, close to about 3,000 employees were regularized who were appointed on an ad hoc basis. Were regularized about a couple of years back, and later on again a list of more people who were eligible and falling in that category were again brought to the cabinet, and we regularized those also. Similarly, today the health department had brought a list of close to 1,000 nurses who are also in that same category, who have been appointed before December 2007 and was against a sanctioned post but done on an ad hoc manner. So hence, following the same yardstick and the same rules that were applicable to all the other employees appointed in that manner, the cabinet today has decided that we will regularize those who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post before December 2007.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.